Hey couponers, welcome to Couponing with Jess, helping you save money with coupons. I hope you're having a great day today. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop and check out one of my couponing videos. This is going to be a requested video. I had a couponer request that I put a dog food breakdown out. So we went over what coupons she had available on her Dollar General couponing account and if she preferred big bags of dog food, small bags of dog food, and what brand she preferred. So I put together 2 breakdowns for her. So in this breakdown, it is going to be on the big bag of dog food, and I'm going to put out another breakdown video for the small bag. So stay posted for that video. If you have any requests for any videos, please comment those below or message me. Now you're going to head on over to your local Dollar General this Saturday, January 11th. These are the items you're going to want to pick up. It is going to be 1 bag of the Heartland 31-pound of dog food, and it is priced at $13. You're also going to pick up 2 of the Right Guard Sport deodorants. Now keep in mind your miles may vary on this Right Guard. Some stores are ringing up at $1.75 and other stores are ringing up at $1.85. You're also going to pick up 1 of the Tylenol 10 count and it is priced at $2. You can find this Tylenol near your checkout. You're also going to pick up 1 box of the Crest toothpaste priced at $1. You can find this Crest toothpaste down your dollar aisle. You're also going to pick up 1 of the Glade Cling Wrap, and it is priced at $1. You can also find this Glade Cling Wrap down your dollar aisle. You're also going to pick up 1 box of the Centrum Silver or the Centrum Multiple Vitamin. Now they are priced at $5. Once you add all these items up together, your subtotal before coupons is going to come to $25.70. Now you're going to head on over to your Dollar General couponing account to clip all these coupons. All these coupons are digital coupons and they are one-time use only. Now you're going to have clipped, save $4 on any Right Guard deodorant, save $2 on any Tylenol product, save $1 on any Crest toothpaste, save 75 cents on any Glad Cling Wrap, save $4 on any Centrum product, save $5 on any $25 purchase. That is going to give you a total couponing savings of $16.75. That's going to make your subtotal after coupons at $8.95. That's going to make your total per cost at $1.27 per item. That is an awesome deal on dog food. Now I wanted to do a price comparison. So I went to the Walmart app and I wanted to do a price comparison on how much dog food would be at Walmart compared to going to the store and going couponing and getting the deal that way. So if you have 2 Dollar General couponing accounts and you wanted to do this deal twice, you can go ahead and do that. Just make sure that you have every single coupon on your Dollar General couponing account. If you do this deal twice, your subtotal after coupons is going to come to $17.90. That is going to be 62 pounds of dog food and all the other items for only $17.90. Now, when I went to Walmart and I checked up their prices and I was doing a couple of research on their dog food, I found the cheapest 50-pound of dog food, and that was the Old Roy 50-pound of dog food. It is the Complete Nutrition dog food. I will put it on the screen here so you know what dog food I'm talking about. Now, it is priced at $19.98, only for a 50-pound of dog food. Now, keep in mind, when you're couponing, you're getting 62 pounds of dog food if you do this deal twice, and you're getting all the other items as well. That is an awesome deal. I hope you go to your local Dollar General this Saturday, January 11th, to pick up this dog food deal. I hope this helps you in going out and getting your food for your fur babies. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope you have a blessed rest of your week. Happy couponing.